back with another video. So I thought I'll do it on random. I chose a random
Frontline.
So I just decided to do a little bit only assault rifle, not so let's do it. I also suggest to you guys when you assault rifle to the video before. Now
Close. Fight hard. I got shot! They're taking the lead.
Cover me. Reloading. Reloading. Cover me.
Reloading!
I'm down.
Target's in sight! Reloading! Cover me! I'm hurt! Missile awaiting orders.
Back up. I got shot.
Predator missile inbound. Enemy UAV spotted. Enemy contact! I'm down! Reloading! Cover me! Changing mag! Missile on standby. Sentry gun ready to deploy. Stealth chopper on standby.
I'm down.
Target's in sight! Predator missile inbound. Sentry gun deployed. Friendly stealth chopper inbound. Reloading! Cover me! Target's in sight! Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Target's in sight.
Sorry guys for this thing, but yeah, please see the number of kills. I just have to turn off the auto rotation or whatever it is, so the screen will not rotate. So let's see who's the MVP. Actually, it is a very good choice.
Mission accomplished. Good work.
It is a good choice of using it because there is a lot of covered places can take cover at every corner of Kill House. 36 kills, guys! I just said my highest number of kills are 36, and you saw it. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. You really have to like the video if you don't have to subscribe. This was amazing. Thank you, guys. And remember to watch the Battle Royale, videos in the evening or around 8:30. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Have a good